My name's Josh Hilsgen. I work for the reporting and data analytics product. And basically, I work on report development and database maintenance for reporting. At first, when it started, in high school and out of high school, I started building houses and pole sheds. And then from there, I actually joined the Marine Corps and I ended up becoming a heavy equipment operator while in the Marines. So a lot of dirt work, moving operations, um, deployed to Iraq and moved sand out there. So a lot of experience in the dirt. So when I came back from that, I ended up going to college for uh, geotechnical engineering. So um, just the science of dirt, I guess, in essence. And then from there, I actually got a few internships, and one was with Kiewit and got hired on by them. And then I just went to various projects. And on those projects, I was lucky enough to get on a team that we actually did method analysis and looked at project schedules, um, things with repetition, and to find ways to decrease the cycles on the schedule so you could compress that schedule farther and move along that progress that project faster. Just looking for inefficiencies and seeing where we could best put our resources and time. So from that, it was a lot of hours, a lot of traveling. And then I got the offer at InEight to come along and help from the reporting side to develop a product that could make projects operate more efficiently. My dad also was a heavy equipment operator, and then my grandpa was also a heavy equipment operator, and he was also in the Marines as a heavy equipment operator. So, uh, third generation heavy equipment operator, I guess, and then just moved away from that. I wanted to be in a position where I could make decisions versus just always being told what to do. And so when I got done with the Marines, I still liked construction. Um, and so it was really, do I want to do construction management or engineering? And I decided to go the more science route and go with engineering. Um, Believe it or not, I actually went back to school for my master's in geotechnical engineering. So it's all soil based, foundation related, playing in the dirt. That is the route I took. And then this opportunity just presented itself and I ran with it. It really came down to working with other field engineers and superintendents and stuff, and the amount of hours that they would spend prior to the day starting and after the day starting, that it was just, you know, what are things that we can do better and faster to decrease the amount of hours before and after work that you got to work. And so when InEight came along, right, it was a no brainer to help out best I could. Um, it was the best path forward for myself where I felt that I could contribute the most to making it easier for those construction workers and the time they spend on the job versus the time they spend at home. I really like construction and building, but um, I just end up building things in a different way. And to help benefit the construction industry as a whole, really, uh, I guess, drives my motivation to come to work. I really like helping people out and making things more efficient. Like with building anything, right? I mean, it's always nice. You start with, a clean slate, and all of a sudden there you are with a big building or something, right? And you get to look back at that and say, hey, I contributed to that and building that, right? And you drive down the road and you can show your kids, hey, I helped build that. And it's even better when it's under budget and it's on time, right? So and I think technology helps with that. I mean, if you want to leave a legacy, right, for yourself on a company, I think if you can drive change within your company to have better insights on how your projects are running, I think that's beneficial for anyone that's coming on.